To use Quantower with Topstep, follow these steps. Sign up with Topstep. First, ensure you have an active Topstep account and have passed the evaluation or are in the funded account phase. Download and install Quantower. Download the Quantower platform from the official website. Install the platform on your computer and open it. Set up a trading account. Log into your Topstep account and go to your trader dashboard. Take note of your Topstep account number and any relevant login credentials for connecting to third-party platforms. Add Topstep as a broker in Quantower. In Quantower, open the Connection step from the Settings or Accounts menu. Select Topstep from the list of available brokers or futures trading platforms. Enter your Topstep account credentials, such as your account number and password. Choose the appropriate trading platform settings based on your account type. Verify the connection. After entering your credentials, click Connect and ensure that your Quantower successfully links to your Topstep account. Once connected, you can start trading and using Quantower's features like advanced charting, analytics, and order execution directly with your Topstep account.